Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So now we know what is the relation between lambda expressions and function interfaces. If you're not sure, you can go back to my previous videos and refer them. Okay, so now we are here with function interface. How you can write function interface? Create any general interface, have one abstract method, and mark it with add function interface. And that's how you can write your function interface. Okay, what about if we have inheritance, right? We can have inheritance as well. So let's say we have one interface, public interface, and let's call this B. So what this B will do, it will say I am extending A here. So this is a valid scenario if I mark this interface at functional interface, because if you count in function interface A, there is only one abstract method, and interface B is empty, but it is extending A. That means it will inherit this abstract method, and so it is valid, can say inheritance signature or a concept that this can be blank because it extends interface A, and it will extend or get public void m1 in it as well. So again, this is a valid you can say signature with respect to functional interface. Okay, it's function interface, guys. Did I? Okay, yeah, function interface. Fine. What about some more scenarios, right? So if I give copy, if it is valid signature, if I keep this way, public void m1, right? The same method I'm trying to override. So this is also a valid code that it still have only one abstract method. What's happening here? It is actually overriding the m1 from parent interface A, right? So it's just overriding it. So it's possible that you can have still one abstract method. That's a rule, and it's working fine. It's just overriding it. Okay. What about one more scenario? If I say um, function interface, then interface B extends a public void. This time I will say it's m1 method. Interface B will say public void m1 m2. This is wrong implementation, right? Let's make it more clear. Let's take this out on right section. Okay, so these below are correct signatures. Okay, so we have a right signature. This is right. It's a blank, so it inherits the method and it becomes function interface because it just has only one abstract method, and that's fine, right? It's right here. No issue with this thing. Okay, let's have a look on right section. So interface B extends A and it is giving M2. This is wrong, right? You cannot have uh, more than one abstract method, but it's happening. From interface A, it will extend M1. Now it is giving its own implementation. Oh, sorry, one more method from its side. That is wrong. So you can say this is a wrong signature, and it won't. The compiler won't allow you. Okay, this is wrong. Let's take one more scenario. We're just learning here how to create interfaces, function interfaces basically. What if we have interface, the same nature? I'll take it like public interface B extends A, and this time I won't use that annotation and write public void m2. This will work. How? Because we are not marking it with at function interface. So it's just a normal interface in Java, and it's not no more, it's no more a function interface. So in that case, it has two methods. So at the result when it comes to the total method it has. So this will have m2 from its, and from inheritance it will have m1. And this is a valid signature, right? Because we are just telling that we are not giving any uh, annotation like function interface. So that's how we can write function interfaces in Java, and this is also a valid signature. So that's how we write function interface, guys. Still you have some doubt or question, please feel free to write in the comment section. I'll definitely reply there. So make sure if you are writing any function interface, there should be only one abstract method at most. If you're giving more than one, your compiler will fail. So whatever we did, we will see this whole thing in Eclipse. Time for write some code. Okay, let's do this in next video. Bye bye everyone.